Where the fuck are my car keys? They were right here in my hand. I had them just a second ago. Did I leave them here in the kitchen? Or underneath the cushions of the couch? Well, I can't find them anywhere. Oh, here they are.
Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we are having a 90s shave. Kind of caught the intro, Smashing Pumpkins. Even though that's not Smashing Pumpkins at the beginning, that's Stephen Lynch doing like a parody joke thing. Very sick and twisted humor, the Stephen Lynch fellow. So anyways, I'm sure y'all saw from the thumbnail and the intro, we are doing 90s Rewind Volume 1. This is label art from my Paul. From my boy Paulie, Captain Lather Me Whiskers. All right, dude, this tub is so full. I've scooped a couple of times, as you can see, but dude, this tub was like huge tub. Like, I think this is 5 ounces. Like, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, is there ounces on here? We're gonna look. It's the First Line Shave 3.0, or maybe Razor Ray did the label. I thought Paul did, but maybe Razor Ray did the label because it says Razor Ray's Designs. I was on with him and Smiles on Shave Line NBD, and there's Lather Me Whiskers logo right there on the side. And this is a dupe of CK1 for all you people that remember growing up. CK1 was the hot scent in the mid-early 90s. I remember wanting it for Christmas, and instead the family got me like Gravity by Cody, Aspen by Cody, a CK1 knockoff, like, yeah. So this is really just grapefruit juice, but we'll say it's a salty dog. Rough day today, so we're gonna be just drinking some grapefruit juice. This is a SmilezforMilez brush. It is dyed hemp stem, stabilized, pressurized, all that good stuff put together. And Smiles turned a nice little handle for me. But it matches the shave. I dig it. So this really does, the best I can tell, smell like CK1. I haven't smelled it since, 90s, pretty much. It wasn't a scent I wore by the time I was like buying my own frags. Because I know when this came out, I was probably like 11 or 12. And I was wearing other stuff by then. Nautica Competition, Polo Sport, Emporio Armani He, Perry Ellis 360 Degrees, things like that. I tried not to wear what everybody else was wearing. Like, everybody was wearing Cool Water and Curve in my high school. I stayed away. Gotta be different, Gotta stand out from the crowd. Alright, we're going to be using the Henson. I just put a new Nacet blade in it. It's kind of purple, magenta. I don't know what they're calling it, but yeah, matchy match. I mean, come on, guys. Matchy match. So, I'm going to get it on. I do have some ingrowns down here, so I will probably open it up. And there was like a little cyst thing right there that I got out, and we're dealing with a couple of days worth of growth. Nice. So if y'all don't know, First Line Shave 3.0. Very nice. So, good lather. You can't judge what I did today though, because I really just aerated it. Made it fast. So I didn't get it to its optimum. Which is okay with me. I just need the slickness, right guys? Doesn't have to be a show lather. I will add a little bit more water next time because this isn't rinsing like I like. And this is the medium aggression. I do wish Henson would make the aggressive plate. For the aluminum, I did have their titanium, but it is pricey. I did let it go for less than I paid for it. Money was tight at the time, and seemed like the razor let go. And if anybody knows, watch my channel. I really love that razor. And they have gone up from $49.99 to $79.99 now. So that's quite pricey, people. That's quite a jump. Other thing is they use our videos, not mine necessarily, but other YouTubers, for commercials. And you know, we're the ones who kind of put them on the map, and a lot of us YouTubers, I mean, they're even using YouTubers' likeness. I don't know if the YouTubers are getting paid. I haven't asked any of them. I think Mr. G's in one of them. I've spoken to him before. I could probably hit him up and ask. But, you know, I agree with CDB. We've given you some legs. We've given you some publicity. And we'd really like to see that aggressive plate come out. And someone at one time called it a shave tax, an aggression tax, to like make the aggressive plate only available in titanium. Like, hey, if you're really into it and this is what you want, you're gonna spend $250. It's not like they have to go back to the drawing board. They've already got the designs. So, do a little bit of light buffing. So I would like to see it in the aggressive so I can go back and buy it and not have to spend a ton of money again. And I got mine on the pre-order, so I got mine for $200. So it's $250 now. And they took the pre-order and something went on, and they shipped quite a bit later than they told us they were going to ship. I don't know. I mean, I guess Rona was a problem last year, so can't fault them too much. But they did get it out later. We did open that up. Y'all saw me going over it a lot too, so not surprised. Nice. I mean, one good thing about the Henson, I was going to say, you know, you can just put on autopilot and not cut yourself. But hey, we got a weeper. But like I've said, if you look, this is where like an ingrown, there's like, hasn't been doing well. I got to figure something out. Even if I don't get ingrowns or cut myself, and I take a few days off, I'll start to get ingrowns just from the long hair growing back in. Oh, that's a long stray I got right there. Didn't like that hanging hair, it was too long. There we go. Looking better. Looking good. So guys, first line shave. Killer label by Razor Ray. Idea came from Paul. So, and I swear the label had to come from Razor Ray or his name wouldn't be on there. I thought Paul had done it, but what do I know? Paul's idea, wicked sick label. We're gonna rinse up and we will be right back. And we are back, guys. So, SmilezforMilez brush. Does have a purple tip knot because it matchy. So, but I like it. I thought the purple and the blue and everything look really sweet. And then this side's slightly different. They're like quartered. It's pretty cool. Soap. Just going back over. Look how full that tub is, guys. Yeah, I don't care. I don't scoop evenly. I mean, if it gets too big on one side, I'll start to scoop from another area. I'm not that picky. Probably triggering the hell out of Joey right now. We did follow up with the Henson medium, or that's what we used. We didn't follow up. We are following up with the matching splash. And man, First Line shave bottles, they're always great. Like this one's blue. I think James, the peach one, that was like a peachy metallic color. Like there's always some kind of gradient or something. It's really cool. So we put a ton in there. And it is a splash one, like a shake splash. And it does burn a little. There is alcohol. But you need to shake it to get everything to mix up really well. Because you can see through the bottle, this splash does separate. So, nice. So I was thinking this smelled a little floral. More floral than I remember the first time I used it. This time I didn't get it as much. Maybe something changed. I don't know. But really good stuff. Enjoying it. I will put a link below wherever it's still available if you guys want to check it out. And that's it. That's a nice feel. Nice face feel. Get it to all rub in and absorb. But alright guys. Great shave. Great time. And hope to catch you guys later. Have a good one.